Welcome to Purpose-Driven Podcast, where we break down purpose-driven wealth strategies that help you grow financially while living intentionally. What if I told you that a single pound, just £1, could grow into millions without you working harder, without winning the lottery, and without some secret investment trick? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Somewhere right now, there are ordinary people quietly building extraordinary wealth, not through luck, not through genius, but through something deceptively simple, something Albert Einstein allegedly called the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it." That force is compound interest, and today I'm going to show you how it works, why most people underestimate it, and how you can turn it into your personal wealth engine. But here's the twist. Compound interest is not just about money. It's about time, habits, discipline, and purpose. And by the end of this video, you'll understand something powerful. The difference between someone who retires wealthy and someone who struggles financially often comes down to one simple decision made early in life. So, if you're serious about building a life of freedom and purpose, you're in the right place. My name is Simeon, and if you want more content that empowers your future, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments, what age did you first learn about compound interest? Because for many people, they discover it far too late. Let's begin. Let me tell you a very powerful story. A king once thought he was giving away a small reward until he realized it would bankrupt his entire kingdom. Centuries ago, a mathematician visited a king in ancient India. He presented the king with a brilliant game, chess. The king loved it, so he offered the inventor a reward. The mathematician made a humble request, just 1 grain of rice on the first square of the chessboard, but double it on each square. 2 grains on the second square, 4 on the third, 8 on the fourth, 18 on the fifth. The king laughed. Is that all? But when his servants began calculating, something shocking happened. By the 32nd square, the grains reached over 2 billion. By the 64th square, the number became 18 quintillion grains of rice, more rice than existed in the kingdom. That's compound growth. It starts small, so small that people ignore it, but over time, it becomes unstoppable. And the same force that bankrupted that fictional king can quietly build your financial empire. But most people never experience its full power. Why? Because they underestimate time. Do you know that time is your greatest financial asset? 2 people invest the same money. One retires with £1.2 million, the other ends with £350,000. The difference, just 10 years. Let's meet Emma and Daniel. Emma starts investing £200 per month at age 25. Daniel starts investing £200 per month at age 35. Same monthly amount, same investment return, 8% annually. But here's what happens. By age 65, Emma has about £700,000 to £800,000. Daniel has around £300,000 to £350,000. Emma invested only 10 years earlier. That's it. No special skill, no higher salary, just time. Compound interest works like a snowball rolling down a mountain. At first, it barely moves. Then it gathers momentum. Then suddenly, it becomes unstoppable. The tragedy is that many people start investing only after life becomes stable. But compound interest rewards early action, not perfect timing. So if you're watching this in your 20s or 30s, you're holding something incredibly powerful, time leverage. And if you're watching later in life, don't worry, because there are ways to accelerate compound growth. We'll cover those soon, but first we need to address a dangerous myth. You may want to know the biggest compound interest myth out there. Many people believe compound interest is about high returns, but the truth is far more surprising. Most people think compound interest is about finding the best investment, the best stock, the best crypto, the best trading strategy. But here's the truth. Compound interest doesn't reward genius. It rewards consistency. Look at Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in history. But here's something most people don't realize. More than 90% of his wealth was earned after age 50. Not because he suddenly became smarter, but because his money had decades to compound. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week to see if it's growing. You plant it, you water it, you let time do its work. The same principle applies to investing. And if this idea is already shifting how you think about money, take a moment to like the video so more people can discover this concept. Because understanding compound interest early can literally change the trajectory of someone's life. Let me show you the silent enemy of compounding interest. The biggest mistake investors make isn't losing money. It's delay. It's waiting too long to start. Let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you said, "I'll start investing when I earn more. I'll start next year. I'll start when things calm down"? But here's the uncomfortable truth. Compound interest punishes delay more than it punishes mistakes. Compound interest is like planting a forest. If you plant today, the trees grow. If you wait 10 years, the forest you could have had never exists. So here's a powerful mindset shift. Start before you feel ready. And if this message resonates with you, pause for a moment and share this video with someone who keeps saying, "I'll start later," because later is the enemy of compounding. Have you ever heard about Rule 72? Rule 72 is the most powerful way to understand the principle of compound interest. There's a simple formula that tells you exactly how fast your money doubles. Let me introduce you to a concept that investors love. Here's how Rule 72 works. Divide 72 by your investment return. That tells you how many years it takes for your money to double. Example, 8% return. 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. Your money doubles every 9 years. Let's see this in action. £10,000 invested at 8%. After 9 years, £20,000. After 18 years, £40,000. After 27 years, £80,000. After 36 years, £160,000. This is why investors think in decades, not days. Short-term market movements are noise. Compound growth is the signal. And if you're still watching right now, drop a comment saying, "Thinking in decades," because that mindset alone separates long-term builders from short-term gamblers. Let me reveal to you one important lifestyle habit that destroys compounding interest. This one silent habit quietly destroys millions in potential wealth. As your income grows, your lifestyle often grows with it. Better car, bigger house, more expensive holidays. Please note, and there's nothing wrong with enjoying life. But here's the hidden danger. Every pound spent today is a pound not compounding tomorrow. Imagine this simple example. Spending £400 monthly on lifestyle upgrades, invested instead at 8% for 35 years, that becomes nearly £900,000. This is called opportunity cost. The price of today's comfort could be tomorrow's freedom. So the goal isn't to eliminate joy, it's to balance living well today while investing for tomorrow. Let me share with you one of my simple life principles. Your network is your net worth. Your financial future is influenced by the people around you. There's a powerful idea in sociology. Your income tends to mirror the average of the people you spend the most time with. Why? Because habits spread, mindsets spread, opportunities spread. Imagine surrounding yourself with people who invest regularly, discuss ideas, build businesses, think long-term. Over time, those conversations compound, opportunities multiply and your thinking expands. Your network becomes a compounding ecosystem. That's why communities built around learning and growth are so powerful. And if this video is helping you rethink wealth, consider subscribing so you become part of this growing, purpose-driven community. Let us consider the future of compounding interest in the digital age. Technology is making compound investing easier than at any time in history. Today, we live in an extraordinary time. Global markets are accessible, investment platforms allow automation, information is widely available. What once required wealth managers and brokers can now be done with a smartphone. But access alone isn't enough. What truly matters is financial wisdom. Understanding the principles, avoiding hype, thinking long-term. Because technology amplifies both good decisions and bad ones. But when used wisely, it becomes a powerful tool for building wealth through compounding. There are 3 engines of compounding interest I want you to learn. Compound interest only needs 3 things to transform your finances. Miss one, and the engine slows down. Think of compound interest like a 3-engine rocket. Engine 1, time. Engine 2, consistency. Engine 3, rate of return. Let's break it down. Engine 1, time. Time multiplies everything. Even small amounts become powerful when compounded over decades. Example, £100 per month, 10% annual return. 20 years is £76,000. 30 years is £226,000. 40 years is £632,000. Notice something? The biggest growth happens in the final decade. That's compound acceleration. Engine 2, consistency. Investing regularly is more powerful than trying to time markets. This is called pound cost averaging. You invest regardless of market ups and downs. Over time, you buy assets at both high and low prices, thereby smoothing your returns. Engine 3, rate of return. Small improvements make massive differences. Example, £500 monthly investment for 30 years. 5% return is £418,000. 8% return is £745,000. 10% return is £1.13 million. Just a few percentage points can double your wealth. That's the compounding multiplier. And if this breakdown is helping you understand money differently, tell me in the comments. Compound interest is my wealth engine. I read the comments, and your engagement helps this message reach more people. Take a moment to learn how the rich use compounding to become wealthy. The wealthy don't rely on one compound engine, they build multiple ones. Here's something fascinating I want you to know. The wealthy rarely rely on one investment, they create multiple compounding systems. Think of it like planting several orchards instead of one tree. Examples: stock market investments, global index funds, dividend stocks, business ownership, profits reinvested into growth, real estate, rental income plus property appreciation. Each stream compounds in different ways. For example, you buy a property worth £200,000. Over time, rent increases, mortgage decreases, property value rises. That's triple compounding. And the more systems you build, the faster your financial snowball grows. Let me show you some simple strategies to maximize your compounding interest. 5 simple decisions can dramatically increase your lifetime wealth. Here are 5 powerful strategies. 1. Start immediately. Even small investments matter. £50 per month is better than waiting years. 2. Automate your investing. Set automatic transfers. Automation removes emotional decisions. 3. Reinvest dividends. Dividends reinvested accelerate compounding dramatically. 4. Avoid high fees. A 2% fee can cut your wealth in half over decades. Low-cost funds matter. 5. Stay invested. Markets fluctuate, but long-term trends historically rise. Patience is your greatest ally. Let me leave you with this thought. Every day, your money is either compounding for you or compounding against you. Debt compounds, expenses compound, lost opportunities compound. But when you take control, invest consistently, and think long-term, compound interest becomes one of the most powerful allies in your life. Most people spend their lives trading time for money, but compound interest flips that equation. Your money begins to work for you, quietly, relentlessly, day after day, year after year, while you sleep, while you travel, while you build your purpose. And one day, you wake up and realize something powerful. The small decisions you made years ago have grown into financial freedom. If this video helped you see money differently, take a moment to subscribe for more purpose-driven financial insights. Like the video so the algorithm can share it with others. Share it with someone who needs to understand this early. And tell me in the comments, what's the first step you're taking today to start your compounding journey? Because remember this, the best day to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best day is today. I'm Simeon, and I'll see you in the next video.